Looking for ultimate security for your bike? The best motorcycle chain lock offers unbeatable strength and durability to keep your ride safe from theft. Stay worry-free with heavy-duty protection designed for every motorcycle enthusiast. Let's dive in. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Kryptonite Motorcycle Chain Lock. The Kryptonite Motorcycle Chain Lock stands out as a premium security option for riders who want uncompromising protection. Crafted from 12mm 3T hardened manganese steel, the heavy-duty chain delivers exceptional cut resistance with its 6-sided chain links. This robust design is wrapped in a durable nylon cover with hook and loop fasteners, ensuring your bike's frame stays scratch-free during use. The lock includes the Evolution Series 4 disc lock, which features a 14mm max performance steel shackle and a patented oval hardened steel crossbar, providing outstanding anti-theft defense. Its double deadbolt locking mechanism paired with a high-security disc-style cylinder offers solid resistance against pulling, drilling, and picking attempts. Measuring 100 centimeters, 3.25 feet, in circumference, the New York 1210 chain offers ample length to secure your motorcycle securely. Weighing 3.92 kilograms, 8.65 pounds, this lock is hefty enough to deter thieves, but still manageable for everyday use. Additionally, the sliding dust cover protects the lock cylinder from dirt and debris, prolonging the lock's lifespan in harsh conditions. The product comes with 3 keys and a security rating of 9 out of 10 on Kryptonite scale, reflecting its high level of protection. Also notable is its eligibility for the Anti-Theft Protection Offer ATPO and Key Safe program, which provides peace of mind through key replacement services if needed. Overall, the Kryptonite Motorcycle Chain Lock is a smart investment for riders prioritizing durability, security, and long-lasting performance. Number 2. Abu's Motorcycle Chain Lock. The Abu's Motorcycle Chain Lock is a trusted security solution from a world-renowned manufacturer known for quality and reliability. Constructed from hardened steel with a special anti-corrosion coating, this chain lock is designed for tough outdoor conditions, resisting rust, and wear even when exposed to the elements. Its square-shaped chain links provide excellent protection against aggressive attacks using cutting or prying tools, making it a solid deterrent for thieves. A nylon sleeve covers the chain to prevent scratches or damage to your motorcycle's paint and chrome finishes, preserving your bike's aesthetics while locked. Abu's offers a wide variety of compatible padlocks, including heavy-duty granite models and disc locks, giving you versatile options to match your security preferences. The brand's expertise in security extends beyond motorcycles, with a comprehensive range of home and commercial security products, reflecting its commitment to safeguarding valuable assets. Abu's reputation as a leader in security manufacturing makes this chain lock a reliable choice for motorcycle owners who want peace of mind. Whether you're parking in urban areas or leaving your bike unattended outdoors, this chain lock's robust design and anti-theft features offer strong resistance to cutting, sawing, and picking attempts. The lock's balance of durability and thoughtful design makes a dependable option for everyday use, helping you protect your motorcycle with confidence. In short, the Abu's Motorcycle Chain Lock is a trusted, high-quality security solution backed by a globally respected brand. Number 3. AKM 10-Foot Motorcycle Chain Lock. The AKM 10-Foot Motorcycle Chain Lock is a versatile and heavy-duty security device designed to protect your motorcycle and other valuable assets effectively. Built from durable 3T manganese steel, the 10mm thick square link chain can withstand impressive forces, resisting up to 6 knots tension and 13 knots shear force, making it extremely difficult for thieves to break or cut through. Its lock cylinder incorporates an anti-theft design with a rotating switch to prevent technical manipulation and protect against intrusion by rain, dust, and dirt. The chain is coated with a non-toxic PVC sleeve, and the lock itself features sturdy ABS and reinforced rust-resistant alloy steel, ensuring long-lasting durability and environmental compliance with EU standards. The nylon sleeve additionally protects your bike's frame from scratches while adding aesthetic appeal. This lock comes with a U-lock style disc lock made of 16mm hard zinc alloy with a thick PVC coating that resists cutting, breaking, sawing, and shearing attacks. 4 ergonomic keys are included, one equipped with a handy LED light for easy use in low-light conditions. Measuring 3,000 millimeters in length and weighing about 6.58 kilograms, the chain is long enough to secure multiple motorcycles or other equipment simultaneously. The versatile design allows you to lock not only motorcycles but also electric bikes, bicycles, cars, and even sports equipment. Overall, the AKM 10-foot motorcycle chain lock offers a combination of strength, flexibility, and user-friendly features that make it an excellent security solution for protecting your valuable rides. Number 4. WARLION Motorcycle Chain Lock. The WARLION Motorcycle Chain Lock is designed with premium materials and thoughtful features to provide high-level protection for motorcycles and other valuable outdoor equipment. Made from case-hardened steel, this 10-foot-long, 3/8-inch thick chain resists cutting, sawing, and hammering attempts, ensuring robust security. Its integrated O-ring cinch design maximizes locking efficiency by providing a tight, secure fit around your motorcycle or e-bike. This feature also allows for adjustable locking length, enhancing versatility for various uses. The chain is coated with an eco-friendly zinc finish, providing excellent weather resistance against rain, rust, heat, and corrosion, which guarantees long-term durability even in tough environmental conditions. To protect your motorcycle's paint and chrome from scratches, the chain includes a detachable and washable nylon sleeve. Despite its heavy-duty construction, the chain remains flexible enough for easy handling and storage, coming with a convenient carry bag for portability. Beyond motorcycles, the lock is suitable for securing ATVs, generators, and other equipment, making it a versatile anti-theft solution for daily use or outdoor adventures. WARLION recommends pairing this chain with heavy-duty padlocks, U-locks, or disc locks to maximize protection. Overall, this chain lock offers a blend of strength, durability, and practical design elements that deliver reliable security and peace of mind for motorcycle owners and outdoor equipment users alike. Number 5. AKM Motorcycle Chain Lock. The AKM Motorcycle Chain Lock, though primarily known for its lightweight and durable design, emphasizes convenience without compromising on security. Made from premium synthetic leather, this chain lock balances portability and toughness, weighing just 3.31 pounds. Its dimensions, 7.08 by 5.12 by 33.66 inches, make it easy to carry for quick trips and executive rides. Unlike traditional locks, the AKM features a high-quality metal strap buckle instead of plastic, enhancing reliability and durability during use. This lock is designed with several thoughtful features to improve user experience. Glove-friendly zippers facilitate easy access, magnetic closures allow quick reach without hassle, and a detachable pocket offers customization for storing small essentials. Additionally, the built-in insulated cooler pocket is a unique feature, perfect for keeping beverages chilled on longer rides or golf outings. While the product description primarily focuses on its use as a golf bag, the AKM lock system included is designed to hold essential clubs securely, reflecting careful craftsmanship and attention to detail. Though lighter and more portable than some heavy chains, this product suits riders or users who prioritize convenience, moderate security, and functionality. Its overall design aims to support both men and women during quick rounds or errands, combining style, ease of use, and dependable locking features. While it may not offer the extreme cut resistance of heavier chains, the AKM Motorcycle Chain Lock provides an excellent balance of portability, durability, and thoughtful features for everyday motorcycle security needs. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.